Okay, time to do another rock. Right down, Bunny. That one should be easy, I think. Because that goes with the rock wall. That goes along here, but really in our way. So. Yep, there you go. There you go, Bunny. Yeah, push it over, push it over, push it over, push it over. Push it over. There you go. Okay. You know what? I'm going to try to move it. I guess he's going to try to do it. Look at that. Good job. He's getting pretty darn good at this project that we have here. Okay, there's another rock there, Bunny. Another rock that might give you some trouble. So you might want to get that one. Do you want to get that one too or no?
Is there another rock here?
Yeah.
Well, you know, you can be here all day. Look at it.
Alright, well don't do it then.
Should I?
So it's the same height as the
Oh,
other
I think
one.
I did want to get it. You're right. Look at this little thing too. Yeah.
Oh, geez, I can pick that up with my hand.
Go for it. That's how it's done, eh? Okay, you don't need your hand.
Maybe not. Okay. Well, see, if I didn't have the camera in my hands, then I would probably be able to hit that rock. But I guess I gotta hold on to the camera, so I'll let him do it. What are you doing that one first for, Bonnie? See, I told you it was a small one. Now I can do it. See, with one hand. There we go. Okay, Bunny. I've got that one there now. Go down. Go down. No, you're getting close. Go down. There you go. Okay. Can you balance it on the floor? No, I don't think so. You need me forklift. I need me forklift. Whoa. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. They're all with their buddies. Okay. Well, Bunny, I hope you don't fall in that hole there. I guess the holes aren't too big, I don't think. I don't know. Alright, go down. Easy one too. Pretty darn good at it. Whoa! Look at that, baby. I don't know if he wants to get these over here too. Let's see, do you think I can do this one? Oh! No, me forklift isn't strong enough.
Hey, me!
Need more house.
Maybe you shouldn't stand in the front of the tractor.
I was being careful, Bummy.
So what are we gonna
Okay, I was being careful.
do? You want to move this?
I
do you wanna
can't
go for
move it.
this?
I can't move it with my hand, Bunny.
This looks like it could be a bunch of little
Yeah,
rocks.
that
thing,
one
huh?
is a bunch of little rocks, I think, and I think you need to get that out of the way because I think that's going to be right at the corner of the tire. And you don't want to end up popping a tire. However, I really don't understand what you really need to get up here for. What is the whole purpose of doing this? Because I really don't know why he needs to go up here. We already got the trees, and there's only a couple other things to pick up. So, I don't know. Maybe he just likes to cruise around. Maybe he's going to use this trail for his cars, the RC cars. That would be a good idea. All right, let's see what he's going on to this one. Bummy can't move that one because of the angle, because of the, there's that hole there. So, maybe he'll get this one. Yeah, see, he keeps on driving in that hole. That's a problem right there. That's a problem right there. So, I think, well, let's see what he's going to try to do now, Bunny. Oh, Bunny. I'm going to move out of the way. Okay, kids. Bunny, you gotta go down lower. You're missing it. You gotta go down lower. Okay. Go lower. Yes, okay. Good. I'd like to have it off a little bit more. Okay. Whoa. That's about right. That's about right. Are you gonna do that?
Alright, I'll try that.
You keep on going into the holes that you made.
I know, obviously. I'll try it, but it might be easier to turn around.
Just do it when you come back.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Yep. And let's see if there's any others. I think this is just frozen dirt. Yeah, that's just frozen dirt. Look at that, walking through the forest. Isn't that pretty neat? Right, it's nice to have all this forest up here and enjoy it all. And we just figure we'll get rid of some of the dead trees so that way instead of them rotting, we can use them for firewood to instead of heating the house with oil. Oh, did I lose him? There he is. Now there's a tree up here that I wanted to show you guys sometime. It's got a big